Hello, Assalamualaikum. My name is Maisha. Today we're going to be making potato cheese balls. The ingredients are boiled potatoes, mozzarella cheese cut into squares, cheddar cheese, corned beef, breadcrumbs, flour, eggs, salt, pepper, and oil to fry. Let's make it. First, we mash the potatoes. Now we put the corned beef and the cheddar cheese. Now mix. Don't forget to put a pinch of salt. Put 1 tablespoon of flour and mix it again. The next step, we crack 2 eggs. And now we stir it. Now we make the potato balls. Take about half a tablespoon, roll it and flatten it. Get 1 cube of mozzarella cheese, put it in the middle, roll it again. Now we roll it in the flour. In the egg. Don't forget to wash your hands before you do this. And now the breadcrumbs. Repeat the process until all is done. Now put them in the freezer for 15 until 30 minutes. Now it's ready to fry until golden brown. It's ready. Happy eating. Wassalamualaikum. Bye.